Now we're going to take a look at deductive reasoning. So if you want to prove that a conjecture is always true, that changes it to a theorem. And to do that, you have to use deductive reasoning. It uses proof that gives reasons that the conjecture must always be true. So if you're trying to do, one of the things we'll ask you is reasoning inductive or deductive? Inductive uses the observation, what's been happening so far, and then I think this will happen. Deductive says, well, this is how it works. These are the rules for this thing, or this is a definition of something, or we always know, for example, that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we use things that are true or given as true for a problem. So an argument is inductive if it uses specific examples and observations. It is deductive if it uses properties, definitions, axioms, postulates, and theorems. And a property could just be true for that given problem. So we're going to put an I in front of the arguments that are inductive and a D for arguments that are deductive. Mrs. Overman has given geometry homework every day since the start of school. We have geometry class today, so we will have homework. Is it really a rule that I have to give homework every day? Or is it just something you've observed that I've done every day? Well, this would be based on observation, and it is inductive reasoning. For the next argument, we say in football you get 7 points for a touchdown and 3 points for a field goal. The Cedar Ridge Raiders made 4 touchdowns and 1 field goal in a game, so their score will be 4 times 7 plus 3 equals 31 points. So we give you some information that that's 7 points for a touchdown and 3 points for a field goal, and then we just basically add it together, points for each touchdown, points for each field goal, and we say, the score is 31. That would be deductive reasoning, because we told you certain things that were true, and then you used basically additive properties that you knew you could add each touchdown together and the field goals together to get the final points. So for further reflection, how can you tell when an argument uses inductive reasoning? Remember, it's based on observation and specific examples. Can you ever prove a statement true using inductive reasoning? Why or why not? So I'll leave that one to you.